Okay, with Module 21, we jump in and start talking about watersheds, and I believe that we skip over a couple of the AP Enviro course sections. So I think we skip over 4.4 and 4.5, and we move right on to 4.6. We'll come back and touch on 4.4. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, you had to hear me sneeze. Anyway, we'll come back in the next module and discuss 4.4 and 4.5. Okay, so watersheds are kind of thrown in here, but it actually does go along really well with the soil that we just talked about. And so what you need to understand what a watershed is. We all live in watersheds, so watersheds are all characterized by their area, their length, their slope, their soils, and their vegetation. So make sure that you understand how those characteristics identify what type of watershed you have, or identify the quality of the watershed. And we have some really good success stories with watershed, one of which I used to live in when I lived in the state of Delaware, is the Chesapeake Bay watershed. So if you've ever been to that Chesapeake Bay area, that watershed runs from New York all the way to Virginia. It's it might be the largest watershed in the United States, but it is a huge watershed. And see, I live right here in Delaware on the Chesapeake Bay watershed. Anyway, so that's a great success story, and we will talk, we're actually going to do a case study on that in class, and then we're also going to see some watersheds that are not in great shape right now, but we're working to restore those. Anyway, so make sure that you understand this, and if you have any questions, let me know, but they always ask really good questions about watersheds, so be prepared for that. See you again in Module 22.